Today, we'll explore the fascinating phenomenon called total internal reflection using just a glass jar, water, and a laser beam. First, fill the glass jar with pure water. Then add some soup powder to the water to increase the visibility of laser beam. Mix it well. Notice how the laser beam enters from the side. At first, when I shine the laser at a small angle, the beam passes straight through the water and exits the other side. This is normal refraction, light bending as it moves from one medium to another. But watch closely as I increase the angle. At a certain point, the beam no longer escapes. Instead, it reflects entirely inside the water surface. This special angle is called the critical angle. Beyond this angle, light cannot refract out. It is completely reflected back inside. Here's why. When light travels from a denser medium like water or glass into a rarer medium like air, it bends away from the normal. As the angle of incidence increases, the refracted ray bends further and further. At the critical angle, the refracted ray just grazes along the surface. Any angle larger than this causes the light to reflect back inside. That's total internal reflection. Notice how the laser beam now bounces inside the jar, trapped like a zigzag path. This is the same principle behind fiber optics, where light signals travel long distances without escaping, and even the sparkle of diamonds, which rely on total internal reflection to shine brilliantly. So with just a jar of water and a laser, we've uncovered one of nature's most beautiful tricks, total internal reflection. Simple, yet powerful. Please like, share, and subscribe more videos like this.